Behind me, I got the cheapest all the way to the most expensive acoustic wood slat panels I could find. Ranging from panels you can get from Home Depot all the way to Wood Veneer Hub, the OG makers of wood slat panels. And show you a couple other options that might be worth your money. Now to start off, the cheapest one you can get is these ones from Home Depot. They only come in one color and they're kind of made out of this high density wood. There's no felt backing or acoustic properties of this. It's literally just for aesthetics. It's super thin. Also, I'd be slightly careful with the durability of these panels just because they do get damaged quite easily. And when you take a close look at it, there's not even any real wood, it's just painted on there. The texture is painted. I feel like this type of panel would be best if you're trying to film something from super far away and it's gonna be kind of blurred in the background. But if you're gonna be living in this and you really want something of high quality and something that's really gonna have acoustical properties to it, I probably would not recommend this. This one's from Floor and Decor and they sell for $79.99. And off the bat, this one has a felt backing as well as an MDF core and like an actual wood veneer on it. So it's not painted, it's actually there. It does smell like wood a little bit, so they probably use some sort of like engineered hardwood. Typically people that are doing slat panels only do an accent wall and you might only need about 5 panels, 6 panels of this. Now something to consider is unless if you have a truck and a Floor and Decor nearby and you need to get these shipped, shipping could cost about $249, which is insane. Now this next one here is from Felt Modern. This is a company I started. Now, just like the Floor and Decor ones, we do have a felt backing. In fact, this one's 9mm thick, so you'll actually get a lot more sound absorption properties on it. And our MDF core is a lot thicker. In fact, it's the thickest one in this whole lineup. Because our panels are thicker, we also engineered our own LEDs that could go in between the slats, both in white and RGB, that are perfectly flush. You can control them with a smart app on your phone. We also use a real oak veneer, which means because it's real oak, it's real wood, and you can stain it any color you want. Now what's really cool about our panels is that they actually overlap over one another, so you could actually put some of the felts from the previous panel underneath the slat for the next panel, and it just makes it a lot more seamless when you install it. And the best part is we offer free shipping on panels of 5 or more. Even if you only need 1 to 4 panels, we offer $59 flat shipping for smaller orders. As you can see, I literally started this business out of a friend's garage, and we got a bunch of stock here ready to ship all across the US. So if you guys are looking at transforming your room and need some slat panels, make sure to go to feltmodern.com and make sure to use code FRIES for 30% off your order. These last ones are from Wood Veneer Hub. Now these panels are the equivalent of the Felt Modern ones. They use a real oak veneer. They also have the 9mm felt backing for acoustics. But if you take a close look at this, the MDF core is actually a lot thinner on these ones. Oh yeah, and then another thing too with Wood Veneer Hub is they don't have the interlocking system right here. As you can see here, the felt actually lands flush, and so sometimes you could have gaps in between the wall. The pricing is essentially double of Felt Modern's. Just this pair of panels right here go for $254.99 before any of their coupons. And also, little bonus item, if you guys are looking for a different unique look besides just wood slats, you could consider getting these like cool geometric panels. This is a new design I came up with Felt Modern, and I think they look really cool. I feel like this could be like cool for a headboard or like maybe like a little accent wall, like a little coffee nook area, you know what I mean? There's actually a reason why the more expensive panels are smaller panels. They just come in 2 packs instead of 1, because when it comes to shipping, you need skinnier and less tall panels so you can ship them all across the US. Otherwise, you're probably gonna be charged with $400 shipping fees, crazy prices for the product itself. There's a reason why I built Felt Modern. If you consider our shipping costs, our quality, and even the potential with the LEDs and all, I believe we offer the most affordable prices out there. And if you guys are looking at other companies out there on the internet, just please do your research. Make sure they have a felt backing, make sure they're using a good MDF core construction and real oak veneer or some sort of engineered hardwood.